ऑल, गुड इवनिंग। माय नेम इज़ शालिनी मटाई और बहुत लोग मुझे जानते हैं। मैं प्रोफेशन से अब एक मॉडल हूँ और आई एम मॉडल एंड आई हैव जॉइंड दिस ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम बाय डॉक्टर ऑथर शेरी। A big thanks to him for his program on course on public speaking. And today he has given a topic on whether internet is a pleasure or pain. So I feel internet is a pleasure as well as a pain, because when we use internet has got a lot of advantages, and we can't even think of a world without internet in today's times, because everything is connected through internet. If we have to send somebody a message, if we need to communicate with someone, if we want to learn anything, to enhance our business, to do any sort of thing, even to or even offices work is going on through internet. How come? Because during COVID, when the offices, it was a lockdown and the offices were completely closed, we were all working from home, and that was only possible because of internet. So internet is definitely a pleasure, because without this kind of facility available, without internet available, without wi-fi, without anything, we wouldn't have been able to work also during such a pandemic situation. So internet is a pleasure, is a real pleasure. And also it's a pain, because if we excessively use it, as it said, that excessive use of anything is bad. So if we excessively use internet, that means like kids keep on playing games on internet, don't give time to their families. Even there are people who don't give time to their families because they're spending time on internet doing any sort of work, or even doing leisure activities, or doing just anything like playing games or doing leisure activities. So at that time internet becomes a pain, because your valuable time is being spent on doing useless activities, and your eyes are getting affected, your health is getting affected by the excessive use. So excess of everything is bad. Till the time if we use it to our limit, to our limitations, then internet is a bloom, it's a bliss, it's a blessing in disguise. So guys, even I have learned so much of things through internet, and it was possible for me to connect to MS Talks and many other various platforms through which we get a lot of great learnings only through internet. So internet is definitely a pleasure. And that's what I want to say today. Thank you all, love you.